Hi guys, welcome to this video podcast. And what I'm going to do today is, I have never done this, but kind of unboxing. So I have bought a new, I should say, a hard disk which came from Amazon, right? Then let me just show you this one. This is called the what to say, it's WD passport, my passport, which is a hard disk, 2 terabyte, 2 terabyte of hard disk from Western Digital. So I'm just going to open it. I've not done anything. I'm just trying out opening this and see, just unboxing it for my set of audience. Let me just open this pack. So this is the seal. I'm just trying to open it, right? So let me just open this one. So it is actually sealed. So once it is opened, that it means that we have opened the seal. So now this is not new now, so we have opened it. Let me just open this as well and see what is there inside. So if I can just take this out, this is just a small package, very small package, and if I can still try to probably remove it. So probably I can just keep it here and probably just pull this one. Here you have got a facility to pull it out, right? This now, this is the hard disk. This is the hard disk. So this is the hard disk, right? And it comes along with a connector, yeah, USB, and of course a small manual. That's also simple as this. So it's plug and play. So just removing the surface cover. Yes, and here there is another layer. Just pulling it off, right? So that's it. So simple. This hard disk. So all I have to do is just try it out on my computer and see whether it's working well, right? So that's it. It's a new hard disk which is 2 terabyte in memory. So have a look at it. So this is the one, right? So thanks for watching. See you.